In this video, I will be showing you how to change the language in Dota 2 game. So let's get started. First thing, just come into the home interface of Dota. To the leftmost top, we'll be having the settings icon. Click this, and in settings, we'll be having the language. Select that, and here we are having two drop downs. One is to change the language of the text, another one is to change the language of audio. Here in audio we are only having these many languages, so if you want, just select the language of your choice over here. For the display language, click on this drop down. We have many languages over here, so just select the language of your choice, and it says restart the Dota client to apply language changes. So after selecting the language, click on OK, close it, and now make sure that you are reopening Dota 2 again. As you can see here, the display language has been changed. If I go to settings, everywhere the language is different. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.